Hello, shout out. Magandang hapon. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Elegant Blues Music. Hello. Thank you very much for coming, Elegant Blues Music. How are you? Hello, shout out. Elegant Blues Music. Thank you so much. The Friend 07. Hinako, hello, shout out. The Friend 007. Dan like, thank you so much. Kumusta? Okay lang po. Kayo, kumusta din? Ayan, okay lang po. Ato, mainit. It's so hot here in the Philippines. How about you? Rizal, Kuya Rizal, hello po Kuya Rizal. Ayan, bira na kayo mag-upload Kuya Rizal. Okay lang, Kuya Rizal. Ayan, kumusta guys? Ayan, kaininit. So, kailangan ko magtali ng buhok. Ayan. Diba? Ah, mulog sa panali. Ayan, kumusta friends? Shout out friends. Hello friends. Thank you for the 4 like. Thank you so much. Hi Kuya Rizal. Kumusta Kuya Rizal? Hello. Kumusta guys? The friends, where are you come from? I'm Indian. Ah, okay. So shout out, you are Indian. Okay, shout out. I'm Filipina. I'm from Philippines. So thank you very much for your coming, Mr. Friends. So you mean you are a friends? Oh yeah. Dan, like, dan, share. Thank you so much for the like and thank you so much for the share. Okay. Thank you very much. Elegant music. Shout out. And also thank you so much for my super chatter, Bad Chronicles. To my super chatter, Bad Chronicles, thank you very much. Thank you for supporting always Progression TV, Elegant Blues Music. Ayan. Afternoon, good morning, afternoon. Thank you. Nagtatrabaho ako sa at marami akong kasamang staff na mga lokal kaya alam ko. Ah, okay. Okay, the friend 007, so you know that how to speak Tagalog. How to speak English and Philippine language. So thank you very much, Mr. Friends. So just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Okay. Ayan, malinaw na o diba? Kailangan minsan lang ako mag-upload kasi tinatamad na ako mag-vlog. Ayan, bakit tinatamad ka na mag-vlog? Thank you so much, Kuya Rizal, Isabel. Guys, please connect Rizal Isabel TV. Ayan, thank you so much. Pa-like naman, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.